ZANU-PF has fired former Mutare North MP Batirai Pemenai for allegedly backing former party political commissar Yotya Kasukuwere's presidential bid ahead of the August 23, 2023 harmonized elections. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. Kasukuwere was blocked from contesting in the elections by the courts because he had resided outside of Zimbabwe for more than 18 months and hence was no longer a registered voter. Former ZANU-PF Youth League political commissar Godfrey Nsenengamu told journalists a few months before the elections that they had mobilized disgruntled ZANU-PF members to rally behind Kasukuwere's candidature. Nsenengamu cited Pemenai, whom he said was recruited to mobilize support in Manicaland province. Pemenai contested in the ZANU-PF primary elections last year but lost in the internal polls to Admire Mahachi. This is today's news about ZANU-PF expelling officials linked to Kasukuwere's presidential bid. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.